Take up.
Take up.
Boshlamoq.
Boshlamoq.
Joy egallamoq.
Joy egallamoq.
I want to take up English. I want to take up English. Men ingliz tilini o'rganishni boshlamoqchiman.
Men ingliz o'rganishni boshlamoqchiman.
This table takes up too much space. This table takes up too much space. Bu stol juda ko'p joy egallaydi.
Bu stol juda ko'p joy egallaydi.
She decided to take up painting as a way to relax. She decided to take up painting as a way to relax. U dam olish uchun rasm chizishni boshlashga qaror qildi.
U dam olish uchun rasm chizishni boshlashga qaror qildi.
Take apart.
Take it apart.
Bo'laklarga ajratmoq.
Bo'laklarga ajratmoq.
He took the toy apart. He took the toy apart. U o'yinchoqni bo'laklarga ajratdi.
U o'yinchoqni bo'laklarga ajratdi.
The mechanic took the engine apart. The mechanic took the engine apart. Mexanik dvigatelni qismlarga ajratdi.
Mexanik dvigatelni qismlarga ajratdi.
The critic took the movie apart in his review. The critic took the movie apart in his review. Tanqidchi filmni sharhida qattiq tanqid qildi.
Tanqidchi filmni sharhida qattiq tanqid qildi.
Take over. Take over.
Take over.
Nazoratni qo'lga olmoq.
Nazorat qo'lga olmoq.
She will take over the shop. She will take over the shop. U do'konni boshqarishni o'z qo'liga oladi.
U do'kon boshqarishni o'z qo'liga oladi.
The manager took over the project. The manager took over the project. Menejer loyiha boshqaruvini qo'lga oldi.
Menejer loyiha boshqaruvini qo'lga oldi.
The company was taken over by an international brand. The company was taken over by an international brand. Kompaniyani xalqaro brend sotib oldi.
Kompaniyani xalqaro brend sotib oldi.
Take on. Take on.
Take on.
Mas'uliyatni olish.
Mas'uliyatni olish.
Ishga olmoq.
Ishga olmoq.
He took on a new job. He took on a new job. U yangi ishni qabul qildi.
U yangi ishni qabul qildi.
She took on more responsibility at work. She took on more responsibility at work. U ishda ko'proq mas'uliyatni o'z zimmasiga oldi.
U ishda ko'proq mas'uliyatni o'z zimmasiga oldi.
The company took on several new employees. The company took on several new employees. Kompaniya bir nechta yangi xodimlarni ishga oldi.
Kompaniya bir nechta yangi xodimlarni ishga oldi.
Take in. Take in.
Take in.
Tushunmoq.
Tushunmoq.
Joylashtirmoq.
Joylashtirmoq.
Aldamoq.
Aldamoq.
I didn't take in what he said. I didn't take in what he said. Men uning gapini tushunmadim.
Men uning gapini tushunmadim.
The hotel can take in 200 guests. The hotel can take in 200 guests. Mehmonxona 200 nafar mehmonni sig'dira oladi.
Mehmonxona 200 nafar mehmonni sig'dira oladi.
She was taken in by his fake promises. She was taken in by his fake promises. U uning yolg'on va'dalariga aldanib qoldi.
U uning yolg'on va'dalariga aldanib qoldi.
Take off. Take off.
Take off.
Uchib ketmoq.
Uchib ketmoq.
Tez rivojlanmoq.
Tez rivojlanmoq.
The plane will take off at 8 a.m. The plane will take off at 8 a.m. Samolyot soat 8 da uchib ketadi.
Samolyot soat 8 da uchib ketadi.
His career took off after the first movie. His career took off after the first movie. Birinchi filmdan keyin uning karyerasi tez rivojlandi.
Birinchi filmdan keyin uning karyerasi tez rivojlandi.
The business finally took off due to smart marketing strategies. The business finally took off due to smart marketing strategies. Aqlli marketing strategiyalari tufayli biznes nihoyat tez rivojlanib ketdi.
Aqlli marketing strategiyalari tufayli biznes tez rivojlanib ketdi.
Take after.
Take after.
O'xshamoq.
O'xshamoq.
He takes after his father. He takes after his father. U otasiga o'xshaydi.
U otasiga o'xshaydi.
She takes after her mother in both looks and personality. She takes after her mother in both looks and personality. U tashqi ko'rinishi va xarakteri bilan onasiga o'xshaydi.
U tashqi ko'rinishi va xarakteri bilan onasiga o'xshaydi.
He clearly takes after his parents in terms of leadership skills. He clearly takes after his parents in terms of leadership skills. U yetakchilik qobiliyatlari jihatdan ota-onasiga o'xshaydi.
U yetakchilik qobiliyatlari jihatidan ota-onasiga o'xshaydi.
Take back qaytarib olmoq, gapidan qaytmoq. Take back
Take back gapidan qaytmoq.
qaytarib olmoq.
Qaytarib olmoq. Take back qaytarib olmoq. Gapidan qaytmoq.
I want to take back my words. I want to take back my words. Aytgan gaplarimni qaytarib olmoqchiman.
Aytgan gaplarni qaytarib olmoqchiman.
She took back the dress to the shop. She took back the dress to the shop. U ko'ylakni do'konga qaytarib berdi.
U ko'ylakni do'konga qaytarib berdi.
The politician was forced to take back his statement. The politician was forced to take back his statement. Siyosatchi bayonotidan qaytishga majbur bo'ldi.
Siyosatchi bayonotidan qaytishga majbur bo'ldi.